How to create Dasher direct account. Follow my instructions to create Dasher direct account. Open Dasher app on your phone. Download Dasher direct from Play Store or App Store if you don't have it. Click on Get Started button. Click on Next. Enter your email address and click Next. Enter your phone number. Enter all the correct information about yourself, enter a password and click Continue. Select your vehicle type. Enter your address and click Continue. Click on Proceed to Checker. Verify your information and enter your ID in the respected fields. Accept terms and click Continue. Verify CAPTCHA and click on Submit. Click on Continue. Click on Get Started. Upload your document and click Continue. Click on Continue. It will access your CAMS and scan your face. The process is done. It will take some time to verify your information. Wait, and you will receive an email when the process is completed. Thanks for watching.